Welcome back. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and as we wrap up another school year, we do want to talk right now about the importance of supporting children's mental health in school and in the community. Elizabeth Sons from MHS and Erica Christie from the Joseph Maley Foundation are here to talk about that. This is a conversation that thankfully is getting more and more attention, it seems, as the years and months go by. How crucial is it right now that not only is this addressed, but the stigma surrounding mental health among our school kids is just normalized?
Absolutely. Thanks for having us. We at the Joseph Maley Foundation work hard to destigmatize mental health, because right now, coming out of the COVID pandemic, kids are struggling, and we need to make it okay to not be okay. We need to make it okay to ask for help, and to provide kids resources and parents resources to take care of and empower each other to take care of our mental health and our physical health.
It's so crucial for parents, grandparents, friends, teachers, everyone to just be tuned in to any warning signs that there may be trouble. I know that, but also among staff members and teachers in schools too. I mean, this priority couldn't be any higher just based on everything that everyone's gone through in the last couple years.
Oh, absolutely. And we as a health insurance provider recognize there's more than just physical health that makes up wellness for a person. Mental, social, emotional, all that stuff is just so critical. And we want to make sure that we're partnering with the experts in the community like the Joseph Maley Foundation to provide those skills to students and teachers so that they're prepared to take on whatever challenges may face them, which we know we've seen a lot in the last couple of years.
A lot of schools and school districts have been adding new positions, new counseling type positions, mental health specialists. I mean, how key is that? I mean, the folks in the schools are on the front lines every day with the kids every day.
Absolutely. It's really important that schools have those resources in place. And one of the things we do at the Joseph Maley Foundation is provide curriculum and support to those people so that it's easy for them to talk to kids in a really engaging way, to teach kids as early as preschool. It has to start young about taking care of their mental health, about advocating for what they need, and helping their peers do the same.
How important is it to prioritize your efforts on this section of health and well-being?
Oh, absolutely. We know that kids are going to be in school most of their time, so if we can hit them there with these really basic skills on just how do we make a friend, how do we have empathy, how do we do all of these just basic things, hopefully we can grow them into healthier adults.
We hear so much about anxiety, even isolation at times, fear affecting more of our kids, more calls to the suicide prevention hotline. I mean, are these the same types of issues you're hearing daily from folks who are in this?
Absolutely. And I think people thought this year might be better at school, but it's really still been a really hard year in schools. And so there's increased need for education, like our HOPE program on anxiety and depression, and also supporting, like you said, staff, because we as staff and as parents have to be role models for advocating for what we need and taking care of our own mental health to teach kids that it's okay.
And just returning to school has been a challenge for some. And then there are some kids who are young enough that this is the first year they were in a school before, after home learning and things like that. So how can folks learn more about what you do and getting connected with the right resources?
Absolutely. So we at the Joseph Maley Foundation have several education programs, and we work with kids from preschool through 12th grade, teaching them about, in our HOPE program, about taking care of their mental health. So you can access us on our website. We work with schools all across central Indiana and would love to work with your school. But we also have some tips today to talk to parents about things you can just do at home as well, because it really takes all of us. It takes a holistic approach to caring for and taking care of our mental health.
We'd love to link people up with that too. So we're going to link you at that website, your website,
awesome. Thank you.
To ours at fox59.com. Make it easy for people to find, and just start looking at some of these questions and start thinking about this if you haven't already. Thank you both so much for coming in. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Right. It's a pleasure.
And Melissa, to you.
All right, that sounds wonderful. Thanks, guys. Well, people who live in Fish